Okay, so we are going to practice multiply and divide. We're going to do two examples, one of each. So I'll have you pause, and I want you to get out a piece of paper and pencil and calculator and get ready to take some notes as you watch this video. Okay, so first we're going to divide. So we have two rational expressions and we need to divide them. We also need to factor all of it. So I'm going to take my first, and I didn't want to do that. So I'm going to take my first expression and I'm going to factor. So 3 times negative 10, I first need to find your magic number. 3 times negative 10. So 3 times negative 10 is negative 30. Come on. 30. And I would need to get 1. So I know 5 times 6 gives me 1. But now I need to get negative 30 and positive 1. So 5 is going to be my negative number. So now I rewrite it as 3x squared minus 5x plus 6x minus 10. So all I did was split up that x term into two different ones, and now I factor, and I'm going to factor kind of upwards because I'm at the top. So I take out an x, I get 3x minus 5, and I take out a 2 plus 2, and I get 3x minus 5. So my factors are 3x minus 5 and x plus 2. Now I factor the bottom. There we go. Okay, so now my magic number is 2 times negative 2. So I get negative 4, and I want positive 3. So I get 4 and negative 1. So I get 2x squared plus 4x minus x minus 2. Split it down the middle. Take out a GCF, which is 2x. I get x plus 2. Take out a minus 1. X plus 2. So I get x plus 2, 2x minus 1. So I'm done with my first one. Now I need to go over here to my second. Now, when I divide, remember, the top becomes the bottom, and the bottom becomes the top. So this becomes x squared plus x minus 12, and this becomes 3x squared plus 7x minus 20. So now we need to factor the top and bottom. The top, we have our magic number of negative 12. Well, and this is a is 1, so this is our shortcut. So we get 4 and negative 3 to get me 1. So I get x plus 4, x minus 3. Whoops. I'm used to notability, not this new thing. And my magic number is negative 60, and I need to get 7. So I need to take my calculator, do some trial and error here. I know I get 60 divided by 4, so I get 4 and 15, but that still doesn't work. So 60 divided by 5 gives me 5 and 12. That works. But I need positive 7 and negative 60, so this negative 5 and 12 has to be my answer. So now I write 3x squared minus 5x plus 12x minus 20. Take out an x. Split it down the middle. 3x minus 5 take out a 4, and I get, 3x minus 5. So my answer is, come on, 3x minus 5, x plus 4. And now I need to cross things out. So just because things are a little crazy, let's rewrite all of it down here. I have 3x minus 5, x plus 2. And remember when we flipped it, it changes to a multiply sign. And then x plus 4, x minus 3, all over x plus 2, 2x minus 1, 3x minus 5, and x plus 4. Now we get to cross out. So, cross, 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 and we get x minus 3 all over 2x minus 1. So there's my answer. Alright, a lot of work, but there we go. Alright, next one, multiply. A little bit easier, okay? So, we have multiply, remember, we just go zoop. So we need to take out, figure out the top, factor everything. So we need to factors of negative 21. So let's see, figure out which ones we're using. And we get, what is that, negative 7 and 3. So we get x minus 7, x plus 3. And this right here doesn't change. We can't take anything out, so it's just 2x minus 1. On the top over on the right side, we take out a x squared, and we get 2x plus 1. Take out on the bottom, we take out an x, and we get x minus 7. So let's simplify. Let's rewrite it here. X minus 7, x plus 3, x, I'm going to do x times x, 2x plus 1, all over 2x minus 1, and x minus 7. So let's cross things out. Minus 7, we have an x, we have an x. Now these two don't cancel. The 2x minus 1, 2x plus 1, because it's a minus and plus. So we leave it as x times x plus 3, 2x plus 1, all over 2x minus 1. Alright, so there's my answer. So that's the review. Enjoy the rest of your day.